Hey guys, Varun Rathi here. How are you all doing? So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Lenovo Legion 5i Pro. So this is the latest laptop from the Legion series of Lenovo, which is, as you all know, it is for the pro gamers. And definitely if someone wants to do coding and all and video editing, I think this laptop is very much equipped to handle all those tasks. So without further ado, let's just go into the unboxing. So as you can see, this is a very clear box. We have the Legion logo over here in this blue accent. Even Lenovo is written over here. The box is pretty heavy, I would say. And so here you go. Let us open the box. It was a little difficult to get this opened, so I'll have to change the orientation so that I do not hamper this. Okay, so this is the actual content of the box. This is what you get inside. Basically a very neat packaging for the actual laptop, and on the right over here, this is the thing that is going to power the laptop. These are some documentation, nobody ever reads them. So let's open it. And okay, so here we have stickers, a few stickers. So this is a Legion sticker over here with the logo and the plain logo. Just a good neat touch given from Lenovo. And if we remove this thing, we'll have the charging brick over here. So good thing is this is a normal plug, so you don't have to find that high power plug if it is not there in the house. This is a good thing, positive thing to have. And okay, so this is a heavy brick. Yeah, so look at the size of this thing. This is of 300 watts. The graphic card is very powerful on this laptop, and this is the reason they need to provide such massive power brick over here. It is huge, guys. It is really huge. And yeah, if you want powerful performance, this is what you have to go with. So moving ahead, this is the actual laptop. So let us remove the box. Yeah, so here we go. This is the actual laptop. It comes in this neat sleeve which is there. And yeah, this is the actual laptop, as you can see, in the plain white color. This looks really different. The actual Legion logo over here, as you can see, it is shiny and it does light up in blue color. It's an entirely white laptop, as you can see. Even from the bottom, it's the dark gray color. There are the vents which are there for airflow and air intake, and the actual vents to get the heat out are here in the back of the laptop. So very amazing design, I would say. This weighs around 2.3 kgs, so I would say it's in the ballpark of all the other gaming laptops which are available, more or less. And let's have a walk around this device. So as this is the front, this is the front portion of the lid. It looks really good and cool. At the back over here, we have majority of the ports. So these are the vents. We have Ethernet port, we have a USB type C, we have two USB type A, we have an HDMI, and again we have this seems like a type A port again for charging. Oh, so this is the proprietary charger. No, this is the charging port, and I think this is also a USB type A apparently, but there is a charging sign over here as well. So we'll have to see what it is. On this side over here on the left, we have a USB type C again, and we have a headphone jack. Very clean, I would say, the area. And on the right over here, we have again a USB type A, and there is a lock in order to cover the webcam. So a very neat touch. And there are these flaps on the back over here. This is one single flap, and the two flaps over here in order to raise the laptop from the bottom. So very cool laptop, I would say. This was started once. So let us just open the lid over here. Yeah, so the lid has been opened. A very normal sleeve that comes up over here, and as you can see, a very good and a clean laptop. This is a white variant in Legion 5i Pro. I don't know if there is a black variant in this, but yeah, basically this is what you get. So Yes guys, so this is the laptop basically. As you can see over here, very clean. It looks really classy because of this white color. Not many people are used to seeing gaming laptops in this color. Black is pretty much the first choice, as you can imagine, for a gaming laptop, a very typical gaming laptop. But this has a subtle touch to it. It does not look like that traditional gaming laptop. You can probably even use this for official purposes as well. Just the weight of 2.3 kgs is what you have to bear. uh, the keyboard layout is really good. It's very nicely spaced, I would say, for typing. I don't think anything is cramped. We have a dedicated numpad as well. The arrow keys are shifted. They are in this bottom portion a little bit slightly lower. I would say this will take something this will take some getting used to. And this is a good large trackpad over here, decent enough. It feels nice. I don't think this will be a problem. It is slightly off centered, but still I believe it's in a very good place. And since this is a gaming laptop, more or less you are going to use it for with the mouse, so this trackpad again does not have that much of a function in that. The power button is right here in the center. This is a 16-inch screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio, more or less, and this is a quad HD screen with 165 hertz refresh rate. This is an IPS LCD panel, and this is matte, so basically there won't be any reflections over there. So let's just begin and turn this laptop for the second time actually. And yes, the keyboard is backlit, but this is not an RGB lighting. It is backlit in just one color. Other specifications of this laptop include that this is an i7 11th gen, and we have a 32 gigabytes of RAM in this, 8 gigabytes of graphic card, which is RTX 3070, and with a TGPU of 140 watts, so very powerful. Basically it has a 1 TB SSD inside, and there is another slot, I guess, so you can upgrade it. You can upgrade it up to 4 TB if you want, to 2 terabytes each. And yeah, this is the actual laptop. As you can see, the display, it does look really amazing, guys. This is not a very used to form factor, I would say. This is something which I loved about this laptop. You see there's a slight indent, slight raise over here for the webcam, which is there in the center. It helps in opening the laptop as well. Basically really smooth, 165 hertz. The Legion branding over here. This is a matte display. It goes up to 400 nits in brightness, so basically there won't be any issue even if you are using the laptop in sunlight. And because it is matte, again, there won't be many reflections as well. So right off the back, it looks really good. It looks really clean. It has Windows 11 installed over here by default, which is really cool. And this was basically the first impressions of the laptop. I'll definitely make a full review video after I have used it for some time. But basically right off the back, I think this is a really well designed package, and this is one of the rarest laptop, guys. You don't get it easily in the market. I think there's a huge supply issue of this laptop across the globe, so I feel that I'm very lucky that I've got my hands on it. But I do feel that the white color is not something which will attract many people, and even for me, white color is not something which I was looking forward to, but I wanted the specification, so this is why I've got it. It does look good though if you are able to maintain it. Basically this is a soft touch kind of hard plastic which is there, but feels very premium. The feeling is really nice. We have this nice Lenovo logo over here. It looks really cool, and it's a very minimalistic sticker as well, not very huge stickers which are pasted over here, so that is again good. I don't know if you can see, there's a Legion logo right there on the bottom chin. The chin and the bezels around are really minimal, and this is what I like about this laptop. So there's an immersive experience as you play the games, or even for coding, for example. You have a massive screen and very less bezel, so this will again help anybody and everybody who's going to code or even do video editing on this device. This device has a 100% sRGB color gamut, so again, it's a very color precise laptop, and the 165 hertz is definitely entirely very smooth experience, I would say. I have not used it for long, but I'll do it. And basically, guys, you can ask me whatever you want to, whatever queries you have regarding this laptop. If you want to if you want me to make a gaming review, I'll do that as well. Whatever add-ons I got on this laptop, I got a Legion bag. So it's a normal Legion bag with a Legion logo. Looks really fancy, I would say. So yeah, this is the actual bag. active gaming bag, and they have also given me a headphone. So this is a wired headphone that they gave. So this is the headphone that they gave, IdeaPad Gaming, a wired H100 headset. The MRP that is written on the back is around 4,800. So I got this with the laptop. Seems decent. I don't know how well it will be, so I'll probably use it and let you know about this. So guys, the primary use case of this laptop for me is going to be video editing, as you all know. But again, this will help me in gaming as well. I've been because I did not have the proper laptop for a very long time. I've been away from games, so this is basically my chance of getting back into the gaming zone. So this will help me to try all the titles that I missed in the last 3-4 years roughly. So yes guys, so I'll definitely use this laptop for a week or so and then give my full review on it. I'll tell you how the RTX 3070 holds up with all the games which are there, and since it is a very powerful laptop, I think that it would basically play any game without breaking a sweat. And again, I'll do video editing on this as well and let you know what is the benchmark, how easy it is to edit a 4K video. I always post video in 4K 60 FPS, so definitely I needed an extremely powerful laptop to edit those videos. Previously it used to take me around 6 hours or 7 hours to edit a 10 minutes video and export it. So yeah guys, this was it basically. It was a little bit difficult to unbox the laptop because I record on a phone camera, so getting everything in the frame was a little bit tricky, but somehow I did it. And if you guys have any questions, please post it in the comment box below and I'll definitely try to answer all of them. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel guys, it will help me to bring you more such videos. Thank you so much, until next time, peace.